Okay, so this is the shortest piece of asynchronous code that I can think of. I will do an import of asyncio, and then I'll create a function, an asynchronous function. So I'll do an async of define a function, and the function will be task1. Just like that, and we will print one like that, and then we'll create a second function. This time we'll call it task2 and print the number 2 just like that. Now what we need to do is create a main function, so asynchronous def main, and we will await an asyncio dot gather just like that, and we are going to call task1, and then we are going to call task2, and then we're going to do an if name equals main idiom and run our asynchronous function. So we will do an asyncio dot run of the main function like that, and that should be sufficient. Everything will work here. I'm going to shrink the lines of code, and this is the smallest piece of asynchronous code that I can write, and we hit the F5 button to run our block of code, and we get 1 and 2 that has run asynchronously. Both of these functions have run asynchronously. So this is the shortest piece of asynchronous code in Python that I can think of, and if you can think of a shorter version, then post it in the comment section. Do hit the like button, the follow button, and the subscribe button if you found this useful.